You take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in a castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
Hey crocheters, if your hands ache for hours after stitching, this might be a game changer. In today's video, I am going to be trying out Bob and Brad's H50 Handspa Pro Hand Massager sent to me for free to test and share my honest thoughts. As someone who crochets a lot, I couldn't wait to see if it actually helps with all the too familiar hand pain. So when Bob and Brad, the most famous physical therapists on the internet, reached out and offered to send me their H50 Handspa Pro Hand Massager for free to test out and to share my thoughts, I was very excited. I mean, if anyone understands sore hands, it's definitely crocheters. They wanted me to show you how this hand massager works and to share my honest experiences, and let me tell you, this thing is like a mini spa day for your hands. One of the first things that I noticed about Bob and Brad's hand massager is how lightweight it is. It's super easy to move around your craft space or even to take to the couch with me when I'm crocheting and relaxing. I love that it doesn't feel bulky at all. Inside is lined with this really soft material that feels so nice on your hands. It's not scratchy or plasticky at all. And what's really cool is that it has these little slots for each of your fingers to fit into. So when it starts massaging, it actually feels like it's working on every finger individually, which is amazing after a long crochet session. So the key features for this hand spa are targeted finger relief. It has 8 zone finger separations for precise, deeper massage. Fast, smart heating. It warms to 108 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 seconds for improved circulation. Custom massage settings, 3 modes and 3 intensity levels to suit your needs. It is lightweight and cordless. It weighs just 1.54 pounds, and it uses a USB-C charging for portability. It is easy to use, oversized buttons, and one-handed operation, great for all ages, and it is safe and quiet. It has a 15-minute auto shutoff and an emergency air release. It uses gentle air compression and heat therapy to relieve tension and improve circulation. When I turn it on, you'll hear that beep. It gives a slow, rhythmic squeeze that honestly feels like a real hand massage. When you're finished using it, all you have to do is press and hold down on the power button to turn it back off. So for the next button, this is the big M here. This is the mode button, and this comes in 3 different modes, and that just means it's going to massage 3 different areas of your hand. So the bottom here is going to massage your wrist. I do get a lot of hand pain myself here. The middle part is going to massage your palm or the main part of your hand, and the top part is going to massage your fingers. All right, our next button here is these 3 lines, and this is the intensity button, and it comes with 3 different intensity levels, from a lighter intensity, medium, and a harder intensity, and you can play around with that depending on your tolerance level. And last but definitely not least is the heat button. This is my very favorite part of this. The heat is a very gentle heat, but it does make a big difference in relaxing those muscles in your hands. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you. So you just press that button, you'll hear that beep to turn it on. And then you're going to hear the buzzing sound or the humming sound that it's making. It is very quiet. You could wear this while you're watching TV, listening to a podcast, and it's not going to interrupt with the noise. The next part we're going to do is go ahead and hit that mode button. And again, there's 3 different modes. So it's going to show the different modes with the different colors. So you have blue, green, and red. That also is going to show the intensity level as well. The red is going to be the most intense massage. And then last, we can go ahead and turn the heat on. And again, it just gently heats up as it's massaging, and it feels very nice. When you're finished, you can just hold and press the off button to turn it off. But if you don't want to do that, it runs through a full 15-minute cycle, and it will turn off by itself. So now let's talk about why this little Handspa is actually perfect for crocheters. We do use our hands nonstop, gripping the hook, controlling yarn tension, holding tiny stitches for hours, and that repetitive motion really adds up. The hand massager releases all that built up tension in your fingers, palms, and in your wrists. It targets the exact areas that tend to ache the most after a long crochet session. I know for me that is around my thumb joint and the base of my fingers, and also in my wrists. The compression kind of mimics that feeling of a hand massage, which helps increase circulation and eases stiffness. I also love using it between projects or when I'm filming tutorials. It helps to keep my hands from feeling so cramped or swollen. And honestly, I've noticed my grip feels more relaxed and steady when I go back to crocheting afterwards. So if you crochet a lot or you deal with hand pain and stiffness or even mild arthritis, this massager can really make a difference. It's like a reset button for your hands. So after using the Bob & Brad H50 Handspa Pro for a while, I can honestly say it's been such a nice addition to my crochet routine. My hands feel looser, more relaxed, and I'm not waking up with that stiff, sore feeling like I used to after a long night of stitching. It's lightweight and easy to use, and I really love that it's designed in a way that supports every finger. It's not just a generic squeeze. It feels like it's giving attention exactly where crocheters need it most. So if you spend a lot of time crocheting or crafting or just dealing with hand pain in general, I definitely recommend giving this a try. It's one of those tools that helps you to take care of your hands so that you can keep doing what you love longer. A huge thank you to Bob and Brad for sending me the H50 Handspa Pro to try out and share with you all. They also gave me a 10% off discount code, so if you want to check it out, the link and the code are right down in the description. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and take care of those creative hands, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tips and patterns, and I will see you in the next one.
Won't you take me home?